Hello, today I will show you how to change post-processing settings in Myth of Empires. Change post-processing settings, you need to open, settings. It is right here, click on this option and you will be automatically put into the graphics section. It's where we want to be. Simply go and scroll down. It should be below shadow settings, right here. There are post-processing settings. You can enable or disable motion blur. I would prefer and recommend to everyone to disable motion blur. You can change ambient occlusion level factor and its max quality. You can change ambient occlusion quality from 0 to -1. Change the radius scale, depth of field quality. You can change the render target pool. Lens glare quality, scene color fringe quality, adaptation quality, floodlight effects quality, fast Gaussian blur threshold, upscale sample quality, tone mapper grain quantization, light shaft quality, and many more options to customize. As you can see, there is a literal mountain of options to customize. You can min-max your game to the best performance and the best looks. When you're happy with everything that you changed, you can simply tap confirm right here to apply the settings and you'll be put right back into the main menu. Thank you for watching and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.